Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to You Get What You Pay For with Robert M. Brown. Today, I am going to share my exploration into the OTF knife world. So, it all started with this guy right here, which is a really nice copy of the MICROTECH GLYKON. I mean, it is spot on, right down to almost every detail. No rattle. No rattle. I have not taken it apart yet. I will. But this is a really well made OTF copy. Then I found another copy. Oh, and this one, by the way, goes for about 50 bucks. That was Amazon purchase, believe it or not. This one also Amazon purchase. That definitely is a copy of a MICROTECH UTX 85. It's got the Tonto blade. The action on this is very good. The action on this is very good as well, gotta tell you. Then I found this one. I was like, cheap, and it's a copy of a Heretic knife. And that one is a dagger. This one, quality-wise, it's pretty cool. It's got the ball clip there. It looks kind of cheesy, to be honest with you, and it failed several times right when I fired it, but then it started working fine. So that one was like $35. Then I got this little, this is supposed to be a copy of the UTX 70% of the original size, 70% of the original reduction to 70% scale. This one is pretty cool. I like it. It's my wife's knife. The action on it is very easy, and she can actually push that button. Also a like $30–40 knife. And then, you know, to compare to, I have the real deal Glykon, which is amazing quality, but it's got the little rattle, but the action is super smooth, and look at that. I mean, the blade is just massive. Massive. I will do a side-by-side comparison, but I just wanted to show you how these babies have come so far in quality. And this clone, no, it's not a clone, sorry, it's a copy. This copy is really well made. It's right down to the, right down to the weight. 5.2, 5.2. So I just wanted to share with you some of the values that you get what you pay for. Of course, that being said, I don't know what's inside here. I do know what's inside here. Nickel, boron, internals. That's going to be well made for sure. I have no idea what's in here. I have no idea what's in any of these either. I'm probably going to take them apart just to see. This one actually comes with an extra spring, and that one comes with a tool. This one comes with a tool. You guys probably seen them unboxing of these, DHgate and AliExpress. I got this on Amazon, this on Amazon, this on Ali, and this on Ali. So I hope you like this video, sharing what I've purchased, and you know, you get what you pay for with these, because you really don't know what's in there. But they are incredibly made these days, and I have to say, if you just want to explore, say, the carry option and see if you could even handle carrying a 5.2 ounce knife of this size, then I did. I got the copy, and then I got the real one. So that was like how I did it, as far as seeing if I liked the knife before I spent all the money. And maybe other people do it that way, but I jumped in with both feet, spent a little bit of money on the various knives there before I purchased what I think to be the best OTF out there. Please like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this and give you guys better videos. I hope you like my new mat, and I also upgraded my mic. So I'm looking forward to any comments, and I hope I improved. Thanks. Have a great day.